pulling up to the fishing spot right now. Got me a new pole. The cheapest bait caster that Bass Pro Shop has. It was $69.99, 70 bucks. We got some shrimp, we got some worms, and we got some lures. Let's see how we do. So we got the Bass Pro Shop special, the Cheap Daddy. It's a mega cast. And I ain't gonna lie, I did do some casts and stuff off camera before I started hitting record. Surprisingly, I only got one bad bird's nest, and I've been doing good so far. Got this little spinner bait. Got this on there. Just been throwing it out, seeing what's happening. It's definitely a smaller one, but let's get a couple casts going. No bird's nest. This is the first time I've ever used bait cast. Actually, that's a lie. I've casted a bait caster once or twice before, but it wasn't this style. It was more like catfish type bait casters. I mean, so far, like how it casts. It's a decent reel back for 70 bucks. The cheapest Bass Pro Shop bait caster I could find. It's not bad. Well, let's see if we can catch something with this mother trucker. But yeah, first thoughts immediately off the rip, I like it. A lot of people were saying the reel was junk or the pole snapped right away. And I can't speak for the pole snapping or anything, but honestly, I don't think this reel is that bad. It is definitely a little bit on the cheaper side for sure for bait casters, but it's not bad in my opinion so far. It's probably like my, I'd say 20th cast maybe. Probably, not even, probably 15. 'Cause I ain't been out here that long. But yeah, I figured I'd bring you guys in, let you know my thoughts on the Mega Cast bait caster. Cheapest bait caster Bass Pro Shop had. Which is crazy. $70 is the cheapest bait caster they had, but I mean, it's Bass Pro Shop. Can't really expect too much. But yeah, we out here on the water. Hope we catch some fishes. We got some worms and some shrimp as well. Here soon I'll probably throw one of them on, or both of them on. I got two other poles with me. Might just throw a worm on one and shrimp on the other, and then mess around with this till I get a bite. I did just buy some new circle hooks too, so I ain't messing with the J hooks no more. So I ain't got to worry about gut hooking any of these fish. The only circle hooks I have are like 7, 8 aught. They're quite a bit too big for what I catch here. So I bought some, I believe they're 4-aught circles. They should be plenty enough for what I catch here. But yeah, my thoughts so far on the Mega Cast bait caster. Honestly, I think it's a little overpriced, but I feel like everything at Bass Pro Shop is a little overpriced. But so far, I like it. Now, obviously, I haven't felt the fight of a fish on it or anything yet, but cast decent, retrieve decent. It's the let's see, it's a medium fast action. Got a 20-pound braid on here. But yeah, I will bring you guys back when we catch a fish. Shrimp. feisty now that he bites. Oh! Oh, I hope you guys see that. Chill, chill, chill. Bro, I can't grab you if you don't chill. Ugh. Ugh. Boat flip. How did you get that down so far? It is a fucking circle hook. I know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. First one today, off the shrimp. Gentlemen. Oh, are you kidding me? The last second he got off. That is trash. Be on, boys. Oh, bro just broke my hook and took off. Yo, are you serious? Oh, I should have grabbed the net. Bro broke my hook off and took off. Damn, man, that's what I get for using ultralight. Man, I'm mad about that. Man, well, tie back up and get back up. We got another one off the strip. Right when I was just about to pull out the other little pole, got smacked. Oh yeah, this one feels a little bit bigger than the last one. I could be wrong, but it feels a little bigger. Ooh, it kind of looks a little bigger. Oh yeah, he's bigger. We gotta get the net out for this guy, 'cause I ain't trying to get poked. Brother, fish number 2 of the day. Right on the lip, just how I like to see it. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's definitely a nice one. Oh yeah, fish number 2. Oh boys, another one, and I might cross my other line. I hope not. Oh, he's a fighter. This is also the little pole with like 8-pound test. big. That's fish number 3 on the shrimp. I ain't even put no worms out yet. We got them, but I haven't put them out yet. Come on, open up. If you don't open, I can't get this out. Let go of my thumb. Let go of my thumb. Let go of my thumb. Ow, 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 ow. Let go, let go, let go. Ah, God damn. He was stabbing me with the hook in his mouth. It's a little red. Oh yeah. Fish number 3, I believe. 3, 4. I think it's 3. I'm gonna let him go. I was just getting hit on the one pole. Grab that up. Nothing. And look at the other pole. The other pole is doing its dance, and there you go. Got it. Oh, don't tell me I'm about to double up. Well, yeah, tell me I'm about to double up. Oh, he's under his weight. Oh. Oh, shit. Barely hooked. Smallest one of the day. I believe this is number 4. Could be number 5, but I believe number 4. Let's get him back. Oh yeah. Not mad at all. Put me on again. This one feels bigger, for sure. Yeah, my pole's bent. I didn't even realize it. I'm trying to break back up my other pole. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that bend. I don't know if you can see that, but that was some bend. Oh, shit. That's medium action. Rod. Nice. What is that? I can't see it. Oh, that's a cat. Cat daddy. Hell yeah. Let's see if I can get this fucking net out. Got it. Extendo netto cut. He was fighting, I would have thought he was a lot bigger than that. I believe that is fish number 6. He's definitely not the biggest that we've caught today, but I'd say he probably fought the hardest, for sure. Pretty sure that's cat number 5, could be number 6, pretty sure it's number 5. Oh yeah, off the shrimp. Got another one. definitely feels smaller than some of the other ones, but it's got some spunk to it. I just changed spots too. I've been here less than 5 minutes. Like he swallowed that. Bro, stop. Damn. I don't even see that hook. I don't know if this guy's gonna make it. He got pretty deep. He's bleeding pretty good. Off the shrimp again. Oh, he just snapped me off. He just snapped me off again, bro. What the hell? Why is my drag so tight? What the fuck, man? He was so close. I'm gonna use the on again, y'all. Ain't even had to pull in for, I'll say, a minute, maybe 2 minutes. We got hit. Oh, he's a feisty one. Bear with me for a second. That's cat number 7. I want to say 7. Oh yeah, I'm biting pretty good on that shrimp today, especially the last, I'd say, 2 hours or so. I haven't got nothing on the spinner bait. I'm about to put that up, to be honest. Got another one. Oh, I think he crossed my line. the fuck is my hook at, bro? Well, I think this is fish number 8, I want to say. Motherfucker took my shit. Like, I barely can see that hook whatsoever. So he's just gonna live with that. Hopefully it rusts out soon.